Introducing the Ironman Electronics Kit, Code Your Ironman. The ultimate superhero coding adventure. Build, code, control, become the tech genius hero you've always wanted to be. Everything you need is right inside the box, ready for plug-and-play action. Pre-assembled Ironman device, USB cable, manual, bonus stickers. From glowing arc radiators to smart buttons, distance sensors to RGB light shows, Ironman Kit brings your ideas to life with real electronics. Every kid starts as a beginner explorer and levels up to become a coding superhero, with the Code Your Electronics Learning Adventure curriculum paths. Simply connect the Ironman device to your PC using the Type-C cable. Open the Code Your Electronics Learning platform. Then simply upload any class on Ironman device. Now what? See your superhero device come alive. Are you ready to become a coding superhero? Grab your Ironman kit and start your adventure today with Code Your Electronics. Keep coding, keep creating.